Kia ora tātou, ko Julie Schumacher toko ingoa. I'm a director at the Education Group in Auckland, and it's my pleasure to be here just to talk to you a little bit about one of our flagship courses, which is our Middle Leadership Development course. Our course is a 2-day course, and it's split into 6 different modules where we cover from big picture leadership, where we look at your personal leadership and how you lead others, right down to running effective teams and understanding what are those key things that you need to do to build the capacity of your team and ensure positive outcomes for students that ultimately you are responsible for. One of the key things that we find with middle leaders is that their understanding of leadership is an administration sense. So it's about organising the planning, the team, running the assemblies, organising the trips. You as a leader need to understand that there is a far deeper purpose in your leadership, and that is to lead the learning and lead the improvement of student outcomes. So to come along to this course is going to help you understand what is the difference between leadership and management. Am I a manager or am I a leader? Ultimately, we want you to be the leader and to be effective at it. What do we cover in our middle leadership course? We cover current research around quality leadership, what that is. We look at the leadership framework and understand the skills that you and capabilities that you need to have in place in your leadership. We look at effective feedback for your team leaders. How do I give feedback and have those important conversations that I need to have to ensure improved outcomes for students? We look at data for your team, knowing your impact, understanding moderation and how to report data effectively from your team through to your senior leadership and board at your school. The benefits for you as a middle leader are that it will enhance your understanding, one, of leadership. It will help improve your communication with your team, help you to lead more effectively, and ultimately help you to understand what it is that you need to do as a middle leader in your school. It will also give you an opportunity to network with other people around your area and to share knowledge and share practice with others so that you can then take back what is important for you and implement that in your school. We really look forward to seeing you. If you would like to join up with us, please just go to our website, hook into the page on workshops and leadership, and you will find the middle leadership one there where you can enrol, and then we look forward to seeing you.